Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming power and signal. Make sure the universal remote has fresh batteries and the AC is powered on at the main switch. This ensures the unit will respond. Once done, stand 1 to 2 meters from the indoor receiver and point the remote directly at it because infrared needs line of sight. You'll also want to cancel any timer or lock settings on the AC so the first code tests are clean and predictable. You now program the remote. Put the remote into setup or code search mode by holding SET or code until the LED blinks. This tells the remote to accept commands. If you know Voltas codes, enter them. Otherwise, use the automatic search and press power repeatedly while aiming at the AC. When the air conditioner reacts, click LED change or display update. Press SET again to store that code, because saving locks the working code and prevents further cycling. Finish by testing every function: mode, temperature up/down, fan speeds, and swing. You want to ensure commands map correctly. If a button doesn't work, repeat the search and test the next matching code because some remotes store multiple possibilities. If nothing works, reset the remote and AC power, clean the receiver window, and replace batteries. Low battery voltage or a dirty IR sensor are common causes. If the AC still ignores
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.